Have you ever wondered how your favorite juice is made? Today we're diving deep into the production of Simply Orange, a premium orange juice by Coca-Cola. Simply Orange is pasteurized orange juice available in the United States. It's part of a range that includes Simply Lemonade and Simply Lime juices, all known for their classic fresh taste. Coca-Cola owns Simply Orange, which uses a process called the Black Book to ensure quality. The oranges are processed by Cutral in Brazil under specific Coca-Cola guidelines. The production of Simply Orange involves sourcing high-quality oranges from Brazil, where they are grown according to strict specifications set by Coca-Cola. This ensures the best flavor and consistency. Simply Orange is available in various forms, including bottled versions, reflecting different packaging strategies to meet consumer preferences for convenience and freshness. This premium juice stands out not only in taste, but also in its health benefits, offering options like Simply Light juices, which have less sugar and fewer calories compared to traditional juices. Understanding the production process of Simply Orange gives us insight into how major brands ensure quality while catering to diverse consumer needs, from taste to health considerations. So there you have it, the journey of Simply Orange. What surprised you most about its production? Let us know in the comments below.